pocket watch. Now it's something of a trope. A pocket watch, swinging back and forth, in front of a person's eyes, inviting them to go deep down deep. But you know, even though it's a bit of a cliche, there is something rather soothing about knowing where the pocket watch will go. That's right. Your mind likes the soothing, predictable pattern it takes back and forth, back and forth, just like how your ears perk up when they hear the faint ticking sound of the pocket watch, just going back and forth, back and forth, as the pocket watch swings in front of you. And perhaps as the pocket watch goes back and forth, you can play a little game. Whenever the pocket watch swings to the right, that could be your little opportunity to take a nice deep breath in. You want to try to time it. So, whenever you need to take a deep breath in, the pocket watch is swinging to the right. You don't have to try to breathe in every single time the pocket watch swings to the right. Because when you relax deeply, you don't have to take as many breaths in. And you know, that just leaves the pocket watch swinging to the left. I guess that's your opportunity to breathe out. It's kind of fun, letting your breathing sync up to the swinging of the watch. And as you focus on this, I want you to play a little game in addition to all these other little games we play. Perhaps you could try to imagine counting each time the watch goes back and forth in front of your eyes. How many times has it been? Could you even remember? Maybe just make up a number and keep on adding to that number. It's probably a pretty big number, so you have to focus all your mental energy on keeping that number in your head and adding to it. 1, 2, 3, keep on adding on to it, more and more. And eventually you can just start thinking about how good it feels to go deep, deep down deep. Maybe this ever-increasing number is just the number of times you thought about going deep down deep, the number of times you let your mind just shut down and sleep for a moment. And perhaps you're struggling to open those eyes to keep on counting, or you're letting those eyelids grow so very heavy that they become locked shut. But all that matters is that you know deep down deep that every cliche has a little bit of truth to it. Every trope has its little bit of truth to it. And you know deep down deep, it doesn't really matter how you go into trance, because trance always feels good, deeply euphoric, deeply enjoyable. So perhaps you can just start to imagine that every single time the watch swings back and forth, the word sleep echoes throughout your mind. Perhaps those numbers you so desperately tried to count off just shift and morph into the word sleep. Deep sleep, deep mindless sleep, always wanting to sleep deeply when a person that you trust swings a pocket watch in front of you. Always feeling safe, always feeling good, and knowing that no matter how deep you go into trance, your mind only accepts powerful, positive, fun hypnotic suggestions, ones that are always enjoyable to give into and follow through all the way, deep down deep, drifting, accepting this, knowing it to be your truth, as you slowly drift back up towards wakefulness on 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wake up and open those eyes, feeling refreshed and rejuvenated, awake and sleep. Deep, deep sleep. Just sleep for the pocket watch. Just sleep for my voice. Just sleep so easily and effortlessly when you see a pocket watch and when you know the person with the pocket watch wants to hypnotize you. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Sleep. Even deeper down, locking in this fun hypnotic suggestion and knowing that as long as it's fun and enjoyable to be deeply hypnotized by a pocket watch, it will just happen all on its own, easily and effortlessly, just like how you can easily and effortlessly wake up as I count up from 1 to 5. 1, slowly drifting towards wakefulness. 2, more and more. 3, becoming aware of your surroundings. 4, almost there. And 5, wake up and open those eyes, feeling refreshed and rejuvenated, awake and alert. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have enjoyed this video, please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want even more hypnosis content not available on YouTube, be sure to check out my Patreon page and also my website, ultrahypnosis.net. Thanks again for watching.